Yo, Mass Squad, welcome back to a brand new video here. Today we're going to be doing a comparison between the Galaxy A21 and the Moto G Power from 2020. Stay tuned. Looking at the Galaxy A21, we're going to have the Helio P35 processor inside, which is a MediaTek processor. It's going to be clocked at 2.3 gigahertz. It's 8 cores, octa-core. And for the GPU, is going to be the PowerVR Rogue 8320. And with the Moto G Power here, we're going to have the Snapdragon 665, which is clocked at 2.02 gigahertz octa-core CPU as well. GPU is going to be the Adreno 610. And if we go over here, we're going to see on the Galaxy A21, we have 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs internal storage. It's also running Android 10. Security patch is December 1st, 2020. Looking at the Moto G Power, we're going to have 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. We're going to have Android 10 in this device, and security patch is going to be January 1st, 2021. So, Mass Squad, being that we got that part of the comparison out of the way, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is open up a web page on each device, probably open up several of them to be exact. And we're going to use the Google Voice Assistant to keep it plain and simple. So we're going to hit these both at the same time. Go to apple.com. And as you can see there, the Moto G Power opened up first. Go to espn.com. That goes to the Moto G Power. So being that we had a little bit of a mishap there, the second website was espn.com. That went to the Moto G Power. Now we're going to go ahead and load the third website. Go to samsung.com. And that goes to the Moto G Power. Now, Mass Squad, with this next part of the comparison here, we're going to be comparing Geekbench 5 and the 2.2 benchmark. Looking at the Galaxy A21, we're going to have a score, single-core score of 169 and a multi-core score of 1013, while on the G Power, we have a single-core score of 310 and a multi-core score of 1,299. Now, looking at both devices here, you can see there's a clear power difference between the two. This one easily goes to the Moto G Power, but when it comes to comparing these two, they're not too far off, but one is clearly superior to the other. Now, next thing we're going to compare here is the 2.2 benchmark on each device here. Looking at the Galaxy A21, score is going to be 98,498, but comparing it to the Moto G Power, we have a score of 166,142. So quite a few points differences there. This one clearly goes to the Moto G Power as well. Although the other one is not too shabby, but nonetheless, G Power takes this. So, Mass Squad, with this next part of the comparison video here, we're going to install 3 of the top applications from the Play Store. The first 3 is going to be Google Pay, HBO Max, and Zoom Cloud Meeting. So those will be the 3 applications that we install. So let's go ahead and install Google Pay in 3, 2, 1. See which device can install the application first. Looks like it's going to go to the Moto G Power. Whichever device installs 2 or 3 applications faster than the other automatically wins. That goes to the Moto G Power. Okay, Mass Squad, next application is going to be HBO Max, aka the best application in the world. Installing that here in 3, 2, 1. Looks like the Moto G Power is going to take this one as well. Already installing. A21 is beginning to download, and that goes to the Moto G Power. So, Mass Squad, this is not a speed test by any stretch of the imagination. This is a comparison video where I'm just simply comparing the specs on each device, comparing the browsing speed, the overall test numbers as far as a 2.2 benchmark and Geekbench 5, and then we're also doing an install test to see which device can install applications faster than the other. Last thing I'm going to do to close out the video is a restart test, and we're going to get that started here immediately. Don't want to waste any time. And do that here in 3, 2, 1. Notoriously, the Moto G Power is known to take forever to restart, basically turn off, turn back on. So let's see what happens, and I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the video. Galaxy A21 takes this one. So Mass Squad, as you saw there, comparing both of these devices in this comparison video, you saw that the Galaxy A21 is no slouch, but when you compare it to a device like the Moto G Power, although it came out in 2020, just like the Galaxy A21, it is a bit more powerful, having more internal storage, more RAM. So clearly, the better device is going to be the Moto G Power. But this is a comparison video. This is not a speed test video. So in the comment section below, let me know, Mass Squad, do you like video content like this here? That would be very, very helpful for you to let me know in the comment section below. But share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. Until then, my name is Max the Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.